Welcome to Roy's Goldwing channel. Guess where I am? I'm at my brother's garage again, and guess what we're doing again today? We're adding more Goldwing parts to his Goldwing. So, I'm gonna take a couple swigs of beer, and then we'll be right back and show you what he's got. Guess what? Guess what it is, guys? Yes. Another Goldstrike product from Wing Stuff, right?
Correct.
Correct, from Wing Stuff. This is, let's see here, there we go, boom. Fender filler strips for Goldwing, part 68901. And what that does is fill in this area here, supposedly.
Yep.
All right?
So you get less dust and crap coming back up onto your...
Yep. So, and here's my brother's license plate if anybody wants to track him down. You know, I thought this was did you think it was plastic?
I thought it was plastic.
Or whatever?
Or more plasticky.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah, he thought this was plastic. I thought it would be plastic, but it's more of a rubber.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
soft rubber.
yeah.
It's pretty simple. You gotta take out the back. We're gonna take out the back fender.
Yeah, I got to take off the back fender, and it's got some brackets here.
They say you're supposed to remove the license plate. I'm not gonna remove the license plate though.
And some screws, so, yep. I probably should be a better cameraman and show you the freaking package I'm trying to talk about. Got a couple bars here, and some screws, so. And it comes with some nice colored directions.
Yep, and they have them online too.
And of course, it's online. And, you know, I'll put, you know, in the description below, I'll put the link to this, so. All right, see that screw there? There's one on each side.
5 millimeter.
5 millimeter, take those out, and the whole fender comes off?
The whole fender comes off.
Oh, man, ooh, Honda. Two little bolts holding the whole fender on, all right, cool.
Yeah, who needs a license plate?
Hey, you guys, you want to see something cool? Look at that brand new tire. Woo! Here, was it last week?
Huh?
No, 2 weeks ago.
Yep.
Brand new tire. 2 weeks ago, we were heading out to go for a ride, and somebody picked up picked up a screw, or was riding on a screw for a while. You don't know. So.
I'm assuming it was moving.
So what'd you have? 1,000 or less than 1,000?
Actually, I had 1,600.
Oh, you actually had 1,600 miles on there?
Yeah.
Yep, 1,600 miles on the bike. Had to put a new tire on already. Big screw right through it. So. Anyway, he'll be taking these two screws out, and we'll be back when he has that out. Well, let's see here. The two screws are out, and supposedly it's supposed to just fucking pull down.
Is it pulled down or?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Or pull up. There you go. And just got to disconnect your license plate light. That's all.
Yep.
There.
That makes life a little easier.
All right. Now, while you got it apart, you might as well clean the inside. A little grungy. Just wipe it down. All right. Yeah, so basically you just slide those up on
And
where you want them to be.
the little cutout, basically.
Yeah, there's a little cutout here for that.
Yep.
Where you want them to be. So what you do is you put these on, and then you mark the holes, and you got to drill a 3/32 hole in each side, and then you put this bar on, and with the screws and the washers, and that's it. And then you put it back together. All right, he doesn't have one of those little punches with the points on it, so I just used one of his picks and just stuck it in. You can see the holes there. I mean the little pricks there.
Little pricks.
Yep. All right, so now we just got to drill it out, and all right, just drill through the plastic. There you go. Whoop, back through. You just want to drill through. Don't remount the hole because you want the hole a little bit smaller than the screws. And just keep screwing. There. One side done, and you'll drill the other side, and then we'll mount the shit. So now you put the rubbers back on, make sure they line up with the holes. All right, so now you just grab the metal bar, And you take your screw with your washer on it and stick it in the hole. Just start them, get them all. All right, other side's in. Just tightening up. Might as well just see what it looks like, and then that's that. Let's see what it looks like here. All right, that's that. So just plug the light back in. Push these back in. Right? These. Yep. Yeah, right? Or those. They go up there.
Yep.
Yep. They pop, or they don't really pop, or it just goes in.
It just goes in. Those are in.
There. Are your screws holes right there?
Yep, let's find out. So there's still a little bit of a gap. Not bad though.
Yeah, you can't really see it unless you're up on it.
Yep.
All right. And then you just put the 2 screws back in. And then you're done.
Yep.
All right. In the dark, you can't really see, so I don't know if you can see there or not. You can't really tell, but there's just slightly a gap in between the saddlebag now and the fender. So I took out a good section of it. Covers up a good section of it, I mean, you know. So, yeah. Looks good.
I opted not to do the lights because Goldstrike makes the light fillers.
Yep.
I already have the lights for here,
Yep.
which go this way, right?
Yep.
And I'm going to have a light that goes this way. So all my lights are going to be going.
Yeah, once you get your tour pack, when you get your tour pack,
Yep.
you'll have a light on that too. So
Yep.
yeah.
So all my lights in the back are going to be horizontal. I thought it would look weird if I had a vertical.
Okay. Yeah. He doesn't understand that all Goldwings are supposed to look like spaceships where you can see them from outer space. All right? They're supposed to light up. All right? Like a neon sign going down the road. He doesn't understand. But anyway, that's all done. So that was his Goldstrike, what the hell is it called again?
Fender fillers.
Yes, rear fender filler. That he got from Wing Stuff, of course. Links will be in the description, like I said before. And that's it for today. So if you're not a subscriber and you like watching us install Harley parts, Goldwing parts and accessories,
Have you got a harness part yet?
subscribe to my channel. Eventually, I will put some Harley parts on my bike. But I don't have a free running cash flow like he does. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about the filler panels there? And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.